Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a nice Mexican cornbread. Alright, first thing we gotta do is get a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into the bowl of a stand mixer or any old bowl, but if you have a stand mixer, I really recommend using it for this. Then you want to add 5 large eggs. And then you want to add a 1/4 cup of white sugar. Followed by 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh, and also make sure you add a 1/2 cup of melted butter. And then with the first 5 ingredients in there, you want to basically add your whisk attachment and whisk everything together for about a minute, minute and a half. Oh, you should also be preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Then you want to add 2.5 cups of yellow cornmeal, followed by a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. And then we want a tablespoon of baking soda. And finally, a teaspoon of salt. And finally, add the normal paddle attachment and mix this around till everything comes together. That'll take about 2.5 minutes. In a greased up baking dish, take the batter and pour all of it into the container. Don't worry, it should level itself out on its own. And then you want to pop this into that 350 degree preheated oven for 45 minutes. All right, let's zip ahead in time, 45 minutes. Okay, it's out of the oven, and about the only thing left to do is to cut this up into little squares. Alright, let's show you what it's like when it's put on a plate. And then just place some on a plate, and that's really it. So that's sweet Mexican cornbread. Done.